morning, sir, and all my classmates. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce my friend. And his name is Munesh Singh. As all of you are aware, I already give an introduction from him, but that is a little information about him. Today I am here for giving his whole information about him. And let's start. And we are going to some topics, just his overview and his family information and his past activities and past events and his general likes and dislikes and his future plan, what he want to do, what he want to be, all these things. So let's start business. So his name is Munesh Singh, as you see. Now he is in Dubai, and in this picture he is in Dubai. Business. Okay, let's about him overview. So his name is Munesh Singh and his nickname is Monu, and he was born on 10 July 1986, and his place of birth is Alwar, Rajasthan, and his permanent address is village Nawalpura and district Alwar and Rajasthan. But now he is living in Udaipur because he is studying here, and what he is studying in which you are know very well. So, and his nationality is Indian. He is Indian by heart. So let's move on his family information. So he has 6 members in his family. He has 2 brothers and 1 sister, and both are brothers in government service, and 1 sister is get married, and his father is farmer and mother is housewife, and he doesn't have any pet in his home because he don't like this business. So let's move about his past activities and dislikes and like in general and daily life. So he started English since 2008 and still continue. And he had not any part-time job, and because he was in a full-time job from 2010 to 2012 in Dubai, and he is interested in running and walking in morning, and he has a good capacity of running, and he is a good runner. And sometimes he download music on his phone, and he likes patriotic music of computer. You can see also he has basic knowledge of computer, and he can surf internet very easily. And he likes to watch on TV news channels. And yes, that's completed. Now move on his future. Future planning. What is his future planning? What he want to do? So let's move on. Please next. So this is his ambitions and desires in his life. So firstly, he wants to become a safety officer in the field of fire and safety management and join a good industry like MNC and well-reputed plants like Reliance and like all these things. So he wants to become a top safety officer in his life, and he wants to fulfill the ambition of his parents. Because our parents have many expectations from us, but we don't care them. But as I know, my friend is very, serious and very dedicated to his parents, and I think he will do it. One day he will begin like this. And his greatest dream of life, he wants to become, he wants to create a unique identity in his life. He wants to become like this. Everyone know him like he's Munesh, and he's a very good person, and he's a very sincere person, and all these things. So he wants to become like this, and of course he likes to become a super rich man because everybody wants to become a super rich man, but he do for this very extraordinary work. He's dedicated behind this thought. He really wants to become like this, and he would like to donate money to charitable trusts and social societies if he won lottery. And there is a thing that he was wanted in his childhood. He wanted to join Indian Army, but he couldn't get this because there are many reasons maybe behind this, like family reason and no good guidance. So maybe many reasons behind this thought. almost is in interview completed. So thank you very much for listening me carefully. If anybody has any confusion about his family information, about his overview, about his past activities and future planning, so please ask me.
You can describe this thing also. That is a
Yeah.
very good thought. If you want to become successful man, then give 100% in two things. Hard
Okay,
work and
here is the
dedication.
thought that he always says in generally. If you want to become a successful man, then you give your 100% in two things. First is your hard working, and second is dedication. And if you do your 100% dedication and 100% hard working, then of course you will become a successful man. I know. So thank you very much.